This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Amess Eye Drops are designed to manage bacterial infections of the eye. They are effective for various conditions and are easy to use. Indications and uses. These eye drops are indicated for the management of bacterial eye infections, including bacterial corneal ulcers, bacterial keratitis, blepharo-conjunctivitis, and post-surgical wound infections. Additionally, they are utilized as maintenance therapy for necrotizing nocardial scleritis, endophthalmitis, and keratitis due to ciprofloxacin-resistant Pseudomonas aeruginosa, providing a comprehensive solution for treating severe conditions that can affect vision. How it works. The formulation disrupts essential life functions of bacteria, interfering with their cell membranes and cellular processes, ultimately leading to bacterial death. Directions for use. To use, wash your hands thoroughly before and after application. Tilt your head slightly back and instill one drop into the affected eye. Follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding dosage and duration, as these will be tailored based on your specific condition, age, and body weight. Possible side effects. Common side effects include temporary blurring of vision and eye irritation, such as burning or stinging sensations. If these effects persist or worsen, seek medical advice. Precautions and warnings. Use with caution if you have a history of allergies to amikacin or any other components. Patients with liver, kidney, lung, or heart conditions, as well as those who are pregnant or breastfeeding, should consult their doctor before use. Additionally, individuals who wear contact lenses should remove them prior to application and should avoid them if they have an eye infection. FAQs. 1. What is Amess Eye Drops used for? They manage bacterial infections of the eye. 2. What precautions should I take? Remove contact lenses before use. 3. Is Amess Eye Drops an antibiotic? Yes, it contains amikacin, an aminoglycoside antibiotic. 4. Can pregnant women use it? Use with caution and consult a doctor beforehand. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable.